Hello, aspiring chartered accountants. How are you doing? I hope you all are fine and doing great. Welcome, my dear friends and followers. So, I would like to ask you one thing. Have you ever felt that I won't be able to do this task, or I won't be able to complete this activity? खुद पर भरोसा नहीं है. You lack self-belief. Now you may ask, what exactly is self-belief? Self-belief is nothing but the starting point of each and everything, or by each and every organism, by each and every living organism. Self-belief is required. It is nothing but the faith in one's own abilities, one's own talent to do any particular thing or task and live a purposeful and meaningful life. Now some people might think that ये तो सिर्फ career and work में ही applicable है, या पैसे कमाने in earning finance or money it's applicable. No, it's applicable, as I said, in each and every aspect of life. In fact, by each and every living organism, including plants and animals. A student enters the examination hall with the belief that he would clear the exams. A doctor performs surgery and enters the operation theatre just with the belief that he would cure the patient and conduct a successful surgery. A player, a captain, enters the ground just with the belief, the self-belief, that he would play well today and win the match for his team or for his country. A builder constructs a building just with the belief that he would be successful in completing a great architecture or a great compound. So what's the moral of the story? Belief ही तो है सब जगह, everywhere it's all about belief. उम्मीद पर दुनिया कायम है. When you doubt in your own abilities, or when you don't think that you would be able to kind of execute or even plan certain things, then how can you think that others would see you as a great person, or others would trust you in your abilities? It starts from within you. First you should reflect to the world how confident, how passionate, how enthusiastic, how energetic you are in doing anything. Your self-belief and confidence should reflect in each and everything. It just magnifies your personality. Trust me, guys. And here I would like to tell you one very, very important and an effective quote by former US President Theodore Roosevelt. He says, "Believe you can and you are halfway there." There is another quote by the Dalai Lama that with realization of one's own potential and self-confidence, self-confidence in one's abilities, one can build a better world. So guys, start executing things with the end result in mind, that I would be successful, and then see the difference. So for now, take care, God bless you, and again remember my mantra: there is a reason for my existence. No longer would I live in ignorance. I'm here to make a difference. God bless you. Goodbye.